Kung small family kayo at vegetarian kayo, this is the house for you. Kasyang 4 packs, 2 beds, kaya pa hanggang 3 beds para sa 6 na katao. Sa 4 packs, 1,498 per night lang kung 2 nights kayo. So times 2 po yan. Kung 1 night and 2 days, naka-promo po kami, 1,898 na lang. At kung 1 week pa kayo, 1,358 per night lang. Times 7 po yan kasi 1 week. Daily may discount, no hidden charges, all-in na po yun kasama ang 400 Mbps na internet, free na Netflix, free parking, free popcorn, pwedeng magluto, pwede rin mag-grill sa labas lang, may smoking area po tayo at wash area, walking distance lang sa highway, pwedeng mag-samgyupsal or mag-barbecue, may video okay, meron ding speaker, may wireless mics, may board and card games, may toiletries, may shower heater. So tara, book now!